as you probably found out, the free DaVinci Resolve version for Linux doesn't support importing H.264 codec video files. So to import them we need to convert them to another format. The tutorials I found so far on YouTube show you how to convert them into DNxHD/DNxHR or MJPEG, but the conversion in these two codecs does not only take really long, but videos in these codecs are also enormous, like 10 or more times the size of the original file. So in this video I will show you how to convert them into MPEG4, which is quick, and MPEG4 file is only 50% bigger than the original file. To do this we need FFmpeg. On Debian I use sudo apt install FFmpeg, and I also install a GUI, QWinFF. On other Linux distros you'll use the other package manager. In my case they are both already installed. Now we can open QWinFF and just drag the file in. You can also drag in folders, and in this view you can also drag in more files. If you're done, click next. We want to convert into a movie file, and we add it. In advanced we define the output codec, vcodec for video codec, which is, like mentioned in the beginning, MPEG4. And very important for the audio codec, acodec, we have to use PCM. It doesn't really matter which version of PCM, I just use PCM_S24LE. And we also want to define our video bitrate -b v, and to find out our video bitrate we can open a terminal and do FFmpeg-i and drag in the video file. It gives us an error because we did not put in a complete command, but it says the video bitrate here. So we can input it behind -bwv622, and don't forget the K on the end. I don't know how to save a preset in QWinFF, so the best solution is to just copy what we've entered and save it somewhere, like in a text file, for example. And if you're done, we can click OK. We can choose the output folder. I'm just choosing output to source folder, and then click finish. And now we just hit this button to start, and we can see it goes really fast, like it takes probably like 10 seconds to convert a 10-minute video. But having MPEG4 files in the first place would still be a better solution. There are videos that show how to let OBS Studio convert files ready to be used with the Linux version of DaVinci Resolve, for example. So now we have the file here. We can test if it works.
You boys ready?
What if the odds he drops it?
Now we can drag this file into DaVinci Resolve.
You boys ready?
What if the odds he drops it?
And now we have this beautiful video in DaVinci Resolve. So if you're on my side and also think that MPEG4 is the codec to use, you can leave a like on this video so that it gets ranked higher in the video search.